Hello everyone. Well, I'm at Arkavati, Soldanali, and there is a reason why you saw the Bhagavatipuram video at 9 a.m. today morning, and this is it. Yes, I'm here for the popular Gutti livery, also known as Kingfisher Alco. Got to know that it has come with Tatanagar Express, and it will be going back right now. Another 20 minutes and I'll be coming here. So I thought I'll come here and capture it. It's been a long time since I came to see train itself. So this will be something special to come back into rail fanning. And as usual, I started from Malleshwaram by boarding the Tumkur Pass. Got down at Soldan early and took a bus to come here. Now it's the waiting game. I don't think there's any other train. Probably the Shimoga passenger may come before this Tatanagar goes. And also Tatanagar has been given LHP rake. I believe it happened 2 weeks back, I'm not sure. And I believe Mysore Arati has turned LHP as well. Hopefully we'll catch it in the coming weeks. And reason for uploading the video today itself is I'll be busy till next Thursday, which means there'll be probably no videos on the channel. So I thought I'll upload this pretty quickly so that you can all see. And coming Friday, my plan is to upload another trip video, which will be a complete trip, and try to get which trip it is, and that location which you'll be seeing is very close to me. Keep guessing, and I guess it's time for the Kingfisher Alco to come. And with that, it'll be end of this video. See you soon.